I am a Muslim and I am not a terrorist. Did anybody ask you any question? One of our problems as Nigerian Muslims is that some of us are trying to please people who will never be pleased with us. At times, I always feel like we are not loud enough, because tell me why a lot of things will be said about Muslims, which the people who are saying these things about Muslims know that those things are not true, but we do not even care to debunk those stories. We just leave those stories to fly and like that. Imagine people you spent your years with in the university as a student, as fellow students. You've never done anything bad to them. They know you as a Muslim, you are colleagues in class, and when people are talking about Islam, these same people will be on the timeline saying bullshit about Islam. And they will see your tweets, they will see your posts, they know you to be a good Muslim, but they will never ever mention it, that they know a Muslim who is this, they know a Muslim who is that. Many people who are not Muslims, they have good Muslims as neighbors, they have good Muslims in their workplaces, Muslims that they will do practically everything together except the things that Islam forbids. But whenever there's an agenda against Islam or against the Muslims, you never see some of these people coming out to say that they know a Muslim that is good. They know a Muslim that is well off. They know a Muslim that is mannered. They know a Muslim that is courteous. They know a Muslim that is not violent. So they just pick a single story and generalizes the whole of the Muslim population with it. This is something that people have been doing for a long time, and they are probably not going to stop. So I think as Nigerian Muslims, one thing we need to do is that we have to be loud enough with the things we do. We also have to be loud enough with using our media spaces and our profiles and our timelines and our videos to project the good image of Islam and the things we do, and to also help out little, Islamic media houses that we have in Nigeria to project the good news about Islam, to project things that might be considered as not Islamic, that these Islamic media houses are trying to debunk. So we should not be spending our time kicking, laughing, and rolling with people who are celebrities under the comment section of celebrities. And when the time comes for us to debunk a particular story about Islam, we are nowhere to be found. There are several Islamic pages on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram. You rarely find Muslims there sharing the posts or anything. But let a particular trend come out about a certain celebrity, or there is a gist going on, you see them under the comments, making posts, making reshares, even reacting to issues like that. But when an issue that borders about the religion comes out, everyone goes silent and puts up an attitude like it is none of their concern. Yet you keep coming out every market day and saying, I am a Muslim and I am not a terrorist. Because these people do not even care whether you are not a terrorist or not. They just want to slam the label on everybody, and that's how they've always been doing. So just do yourself, be a Muslim as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded you to be, and do not care about what anybody else says. Help Islam in your own little way. Spread the message of Islam. Help those who are spreading the message of Islam by sharing their videos, by dropping comments, by sharing the good works about Islam. Just like people on the other side of the divide do to their own religion too. And I think that's the best way for us to also own our spaces and speak up, so that when it is time to tell our own stories, it becomes easier to spread the right narration. So I hope this helps in a way or two. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.